Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make wheat flour halwa. This is one of the most simple and easy halwa recipe which melts in the mouth. Just follow the steps to get a smooth and a creamy textured halwa. Take a saucepan and add 1 cup of sugar and 3 cups of water. Keep the pan on a medium to high flame and let this come to a boil. Meanwhile, I am going to start roasting the wheat flour. Take a heavy bottomed pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and let's roast the cashews first. The cashews have turned golden brown evenly. We can now take them out. Into the same pan, add 1 cup of ghee. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour to the hot ghee and start roasting it on a medium flame. Fry the atta by stirring it continuously till its color changes and we get a nice aroma of roasted whole wheat flour. Meanwhile, also keep an eye on the sugar solution. It has come to a boil. I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder and a pinch of yellow color, which is optional. Increase the flame to high for the sugar solution to bubble up. The syrup has started to bubble. We can now switch off the flame. The wheat flour has also turned golden in color and I have started to receive a good fragrance. We can now add the fried cashews. Add the sugar syrup to the hot atta mixture. Pour it gradually and be very careful as the mixture has the tendency to splutter. Keep stirring it continuously during the whole process so that lumps are not formed. As you can see, the halwa will absorb the water and continue to thicken quickly. In a few minutes you will notice the halwa will separate from the pan and also starts to ooze out the ghee. The wheat halwa is ready. We can now switch off the flame. You can either serve them hot or warm. The halwa has come out clean from the pan. Always use a heavy bottomed pan so the atta doesn't get burnt. Try this sweet at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Please like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Fresh Bites. Thank you.